In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website using Hostinger Website Builder in just a few simple steps, whether you're a business owner aiming to improve customer interactions or simply want to add a personal touch to your site. Incorporating a chat button can significantly enhance user experience. First things first, you'll need to have your Hostinger Website Builder up and ready. Once you've accessed the dashboard, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to add the WhatsApp chat feature. This could be your home page, a contact page, or even a dedicated support page, wherever you feel your visitors would most benefit from instant communication. Once you've settled on the ideal location for your chat feature, it's time to add the widget. Look for the Elements panel within the Website Builder interface. Here, you'll find a variety of widgets and tools at your disposal, but for today, we're interested in the WhatsApp chat widget. Simply click or drag the widget to your desired location on the page. The builder is quite user-friendly, so you should find this step a breeze. The next step requires a bit of personal input. You'll need to enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Go ahead and input your number in the space provided. Make sure your country code is correct, as this ensures that the WhatsApp chat functions smoothly for users from different regions. If you're unsure about your country code, do a quick online search to confirm it, as entering the correct information here is crucial for proper functionality. With your chat button on the page and your number entered, you have an opportunity to personalize the appearance and placement of your chat button to ensure it aligns with your website's design. The Hostinger Website Builder provides options to modify the style, color, and position of your button. Feel free to experiment with these settings. For instance, you might want the button to match your brand's color palette, or place it in a location where it's easily noticeable yet unobtrusive for your audience. Customizing the button's appearance can make integrating this tool harmonious with the rest of your site's aesthetic. Now that you've set everything up and ensured the button fits seamlessly into your website's look and feel, it's time to lock in those changes. Find the Save option in the Builder interface to ensure all updates are secured. After saving, it's vital to publish your site so visitors can immediately begin using the new feature. And there you have it, a fully functioning WhatsApp chat button ready to improve communication on your website. This addition is not only practical but also shows your willingness to engage directly with your audience. Thank you for watching and enjoy the elevated interaction with your visitors.